Hey, doing? I'm Ryan Conley from Film Riot. We're here at the SmallRig booth. We partnered with SmallRig on this new product. It's the 7-in-1, and we also have the 10-in-1 folding wrench set. It is a multi-tool. You got 7 tools here with this one, 10 with the other. This one goes for $29.99 US. The other goes for $39.99 US. It's a very simple product. You know, there's not a ton to talk about it, but it's the type of thing that when you don't have it, after you've had it, you realize how much you love this thing. It's really slim, goes right into your pocket without you really knowing that it's there, just mixes amongst everything. You put it in the tiny pocket for the big pocket, you know what I mean? And you don't even know it's there until you need it. And I just haven't found anything yet that this hasn't been able to cover for me. And it's something that is just purely practical, which I really love, because a lot of filmmaking for indie filmmakers, run and gun filmmakers, just one person with a camera, practicality really is everything. And I don't want to be using my nail or a coin or a key anymore to screw down really important gear. So that's where this comes in. And you also have 2 locking points at 90 and also 80, which is really useful for, you know, when you screwing in something tight, you don't want to have that slippage happening, you know. So it's just overall just a really practical and useful tool. There's not really that much more to say about it. It's something that you're just going to need.